Hello everyone. Remember how I reviewed Thomas, Percy, and James the last time? Yeah, today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Like, about a week ago, I've got something that I meant to unbox the last time, but I didn't have a chance to. So, I'll be right back. We've got Gordon, the big, proud engine who likes to pull the express. Looks really nice. Yes, I'm going to unbox him right away. So, I will pause it, and for now, I'll be right back. So here's Gordon out of the box. Really nice. He's got his tender and his express coach right there. I think it looks pretty nice. I'll have Gordon running in a moment. Now let's give Gordon a run on the truck. Here's Gordon again, pulling the express. Let's try this again. Try it again. Hopefully there's no more accidents. And that was the review. I hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel and have a good day. Bye.